Gari and beans, or most people in Ghana may call it red kobe or gari. The gari and beans is a popular dish in Ghana. This is nutritious and everybody enjoy this type of food. The gari is a starch which serves as a source of energy, and then the beans is rich in iron and then protein. This combination will give you the necessary nutrients that the body needs. You are all invited, and don't forget to mix this food well when you are serving. Ɛkɔ yie ankasa. Mesi biara meka o, mesi home sweet food. Aduane pa. Ɛyɛ dɛ. Today we are going to make Ghana Gari and Beans. We soak these beans overnight, and it's time for us to boil these beans till it softens. And so I have the other side my 8 cup of water in my cooking saucepan. So I'm going to rinse the beans and then we start the process. So I'm done washing the beans, and then it's time for us to add in the hot water. Then we boil these beans or cook it on low medium heat until it softens. Welcome you back to Home Sweet Food channel. If today is your first time watching my channel, I say welcome you all, and don't forget to subscribe or follow this page for more video. And don't forget to like this video if you like everything that I'm doing here, and also share with your loved ones. So now we are going to cook this bean till it softens. So you can eat beans without the red plantain. So I'm giving it a wash and then peel the skin off, cut it into pieces or any shape that you want before we fry this. Just say this type of food is a popular dish in Ghana, and it's very expensive when you're buying this outside. So when you're cooking this at home, man, you enjoy it every corner. Yeah, so I love to cook these beans at home than buying this outside. And outside, oh, it really costs. If you want the red plantain, egg, avocado, you name it. Most students in Ghana will bear with me that this food costs much when you're buying outside. Then the moment you finish eating this, oh, you don't need any food again. Yeah, all you need is water. Just say it's Gaza. Keep on watching Home Sweet Food. Aduane pa ɛyɛ dankasa.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
I'm done cutting the red plantain. I'll set it aside, and I have pepper, ginger, onion, and then garlic. I'm going to give it a wash, and then we go grind this. And with the pepper, these types are very hot, so I'm just cutting a piece, and then I'll set the rest aside, and then we go grind this. Fry it with some oil. The beans is almost done. I'm giving it a stir. Then I'm adding a salt to taste. Then I'll give it a stir. Then I'll let it be on fire on low medium heat till it softens. So at this point, you can tell that the beans is almost done. It's done. So I'll set it aside on the other fire, and then we're going to fry the red plantain. I have my oil is heated, and I added the plantain, the red plantain. So going to fry this so it's golden brown. Didn't add any salt or any seasoning after cutting the red plantain. If you like it, you can add it. So the plantain is done. Then I'm taking out from the oil. Then we fry the next ones. So let's grind the ginger, onion, garlic, and then the pepper. The Gari and Beans is always served with some oil that has been fried with onion, ginger, garlic, or whatever that you want to fry with the oil. I have sauce, shrimp powder, and then the ginger garlic that we grind, and this coconut oil. So I'm gonna do 2 types of oil here so that you can choose any one that you want. So I have my coconut oil in my saucepan, then I added my sliced onion. I'm gonna fry this, then we add the ginger garlic paste, and then I'm gonna do the other oil, which is the palm oil, so that you can choose any type. So I'm adding my palm oil. When it's heated, we add the half onions that we set aside. Then I added the paste, the ginger garlic onion, then give it a stir, and I'll add my shrimp powder. The shrimp powder is optional. Then half teaspoon of salt. Then that is all. We stir. Then we let this be on fire for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes is okay. So I'm just adding the onion that we set aside, and we fry this before we add the ginger garlic paste. For this one, we're not going to add any shrimp powder, just a pinch of salt, and then we are done. Just say pa home sweet food pa, and I know you also give it a try, and let me know in the comment section how you did it. Just say pa. So everything is ready for us to serve out. Yes, you are all invited. You can bring your plates or whatever that you want me to serve you. The red plantain, yeah, that's it. We are done, and let's serve it up. Thank you all for stopping by to watch this recipe. Thank you all. Don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones, leave me a comment down below. God bless you all for all the support. And so this is a gari. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons full, and then I'll add the oil that we fry with the onion, ginger, garlic, and then that is all. Yeah, you can top this up with any vegetable that you want. I'm gonna add my egg, avocado, and then the red plantain. Thank you all. God bless you, and please don't forget to stay safe till we meet in another video. Love you all. That's it. Coconut oil on the other side. Thank you all.